Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to give you an eToro review and tutorial. Perhaps this is the easiest way to trade cryptocurrencies, especially if you're a beginner. But there are pros and cons to the eToro platform. So I will discuss these. I will discuss my own experience from trading on eToro. And I will just keep this discussion to the eToro platform in regards to cryptocurrency trading. But first off, I will talk very quick about what eToro is. So you can see I'm on the homepage right here, Trade with Confidence on the world's leading social trading platform. And you can see there are millions who have already discovered smarter investing in multiple types of assets. And eToro is a reputable brand. You can see it's the global leader of social trading, and it's available in over 140 countries. And in the US, it's available in most states as well. So with that being said, I will show you what it looks like in your dashboard when you're logged in. So right now I'm inside my portfolio, and you can see your portfolio is empty. That's because I'm on the virtual portfolio. But I have a real portfolio that I'm trading, but I don't want to make trades and show you exactly what it looks like inside my real portfolio. So anyways, first off, to get started, you can actually get started with a demo account. So I can leave a link to that if you want to try it out first by yourself. But if you want to get started with a real portfolio, you will obviously need to register, and then you will have to deposit funds. And you can do that by clicking deposit funds on the bottom of the page right here. And to get started, you will need to deposit $50. And there are lots of different payment methods that you can use. So PayPal is one of them. You can use credit debit card, online banking. I'm not sure exactly if this is available in the US as well, but online banking, Skrill, which is an e-wallet, bank transfer, Neteller, which is an e-wallet as well. So $50 at the minimum to get started. And to withdraw funds, you can see withdraw funds right here. There's a small withdrawal fee, and the minimum amount to withdraw is $30. And you can withdraw to the same methods as you use to deposit funds as well. So it's very simple, and everything is safe and all that stuff as well. So no worries about that. Now you might actually wonder how it works to buy and trade crypto, so I will show you how to do that. You can see discover trade markets right here, so I will click there. And you can see I'm inside the EU, so I can trade stocks, ETFs, commodities, and all this stuff as well. You can see crypto right here. If you're in the US, I believe eToro just offers crypto trading as of now, at least. We'll see if that changes. So I will go into crypto right now. And you can see I get 37 search results right here. So there are many different cryptocurrencies that you can buy and trade, and also short and sell if you want that. And this is probably one of the pros with eToro, because compared to other cryptocurrency trading platforms, this is a very simple interface where you just have the sell and you have the buy. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can just click on buy right here, and you will see the price changes every second basically. And you can see amount right here. So whatever balance you have available, you can just type in, let's say $100. You can just increase it by the plus or decrease it by the minus. And you can set stop losses right here. You can change leverage right here. In this case, it's up to 2x leverage. You can also decide if you want to take profit. If you get up to $350 profit in this case, you can also change it to whatever you want. And then all you will have to do is just to click open trade, and you will see order filled by $35 of BTC. And then you can go back to your portfolio right here. And this is one of the cons with trading on eToro. They say it's zero commission to trade, But the thing is, it's kind of a hidden fee because they use a spread. So you can see sell is for approximately 65,500 US dollars, and buy is for approximately 66,000 US dollars. So it's a small margin that they use between the sell and buy amount. So you can see I'm just by placing the order, I'm in net loss of about 1.5%. So that's something you have to keep in mind when you open a trade on eToro, and whenever you trade on eToro, that just by placing an order, you will basically get a net loss at first. And if you want to sell right off, you will get a loss of your trade, most likely. So that's one of the cons that you need to be aware of. However, jumping straight back to a pro of trading on eToro is that it's very simple to just close a trade. So you can see there's a little wheel right here. You can just click on close, and you can also go to just click on this one, and you will see the open trade right here. And all you will have to do to close a trade is to click on the cross right here. You can see close trade. So instead of placing orders every now and then and trying to figure out a closing price and all that stuff, you can just make a couple of clicks and you can see the trade is closed. And we're now back to having almost the same balance as we started out with. You can see that your portfolio is empty right here as well. So very simple to trade on eToro, and if you're a complete beginner to cryptocurrency, it might actually be worth the spread and kind of the hidden fee to open trades, because it's very easy to close trades, open trades. It's a very simple interface that I personally believe is a bit complicated on other cryptocurrency platforms. So that's at least something I've experienced as a positive trading on eToro. And in general, the platform and design is very simple and easy, which also is a pro of trading on eToro. Another feature that might be interesting for you is the copy trade. So you can see copy people invest in copy portfolios. So I will go to copy people right here. And you can see there are some editor's choice with traders that actually make a positive return, at least for the last 7 days, last 12 months here as well. So they have a pretty good track record, some of them at least. And what you can do on eToro is to, let's say we go to this Nesatron. I will just click here. You can just click on copy. You can select an amount, copy open trades, copy. And what will happen is you will follow all the trades that Nesatron makes. So you don't have to do anything. Basically, you just have to sit back and relax and watch other people make trades and hopefully generate some profit for you as well. Now, obviously, you might want to create your own portfolio and make all your own trades, and that's cool as well. But finding someone with a good trading track record might actually be beneficial for you if you're a complete beginner. Obviously, not financial advice. You will have to do your own research, but that's a pretty cool feature with eToro that's very unique to eToro as well. And you can also invest in copy portfolios right here. So you can see Crypto Equal has a 518% return in the last 12 months. So that's pretty good performance. Obviously high risk right here, but that's basically the core features, the core pros and cons of trading on eToro. And if you want to start trading on eToro, I will leave a link to eToro in the description. Let me know if it's something you're missing and something that I should cover more. You can just leave a comment below in the comment section as well if you have any questions. If you enjoyed this review and tutorial, feel feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want more cryptocurrency tutorials and reviews as well. Else, thank you for watching, have a nice day, and goodbye.